Good evening, Berlin.
Welcome to the IF Design Award 2024 ceremony here at the Friedrichstadtpalast in Berlin.
There we go. Well, this is the award of awards, and I think if you want to be recognized on a global stage, this is where you have to participate.
It's very special. It's our second time here. It's our second goal. I think it's a networking platform that is good for young designers.
To stay here tonight, this big, fantastic event.
We are very pleased to be here because it's the result of a very big effort and teamwork. Well, it's phenomenal for us.
It's a rare opportunity to see people from all over the world showing their best projects on the stage. More than winning a trophy, it's good to go to our clients and show them that our projects have international level.
We are introducing the IF Design Lifetime Achievement Award.
Welcome, Dieter Rams, the first to ever receive the IF Design Lifetime Achievement Award.
Turn the world a little bit to a better world. What design can do and help, and a lot, I believe, still in security.
Dieter Rams, I mean, we share the same stage with such a luminary for all of us, so absolutely fantastic night.
Incredible. I was, wow, what a surprise, and so incredible to go from France and to be here.
Thank you and good night.
Congratulations to the whole Sumo team.
Thank you, IF.
I'm so honored to receive this amazing award.
We were sold out completely with 2,000 guests. The party is ongoing. We had fantastic gold winners on stage. And with Dieter Rams, we had our first IF Design Lifetime Achievement winner. And it was for me a big emotional moment, to be honest.